The tiny entryway is located on the right side of this initial tiny house design. There is a restroom close to the little foyer, which serves as a transitional area when one first enters the house. The attic sits above the kitchen and bathroom, and the master bedroom is in the center of the space. The concealed entrance is located on the right side of this back of the second small house design, which has an uneven roof motif between the right and left sides. A master bedroom with a fairly large window opening sits in the center of the space, with the bathroom behind it and a loft above. The kitchen and closet are on the front side of the master bedroom, separated by a barrier to ensure comfort and privacy for this use.